Hey guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Did you ever had a situation where your screw went too deep into the wall, including the plug itself? Right here on this wall I have these two screws, and as you can see, this is the position for my hallway mirror. One screw is perfectly good, but this second screw, this hole was too deep, and when I tried to screw it, everything went too deep in there. First, we need to take out this screw, and in order to do that, we have two possible solutions. Solution number one is to buy a magnetic tool like this one. These kind of tools are perfect for taking out little steel pieces from deep holes. In my case, this tip right here is just too big to go into this small hole right here. So basically, I bought this for nothing. But for my case, we have another solution. You can use just a normal screwdriver to take out this screw right here. But if you have an old used one screwdriver, it probably won't work. Let me show you. As you can see right here, this tip on this screwdriver is already pretty damaged. When I insert this tip right here, I'm able to unscrew this screw right here, but I am not able to take it out together with the screwdriver. Basically, almost every screwdriver has a magnetic tip on it, but over time, as you use your screwdriver, this magnetic tip gets damaged and it is not so magnetic anymore, right? I went out and bought a brand new screwdriver, basically almost the same, but this is a brand new screwdriver with a magnetic tip that is not damaged. And now, when I try to use this new screwdriver and when I try to take this screw to the outside, as you can see, it's coming out. This is the magnetic tip on the brand new screwdriver, and as you can see, it's working pretty well. Okay, now that we got this screw out from this hole, now we have another set of problems. There is one plug right in there, and we don't know how deep this plug went into the wall. So we basically have two possibilities again. Possibility number one is to just take a new plug, put it in there. If it's sticking out, make it short and put a new screw right in that plug. The solution number two is to take a drill bit and to drill into this hole. You will basically remove the existing plug with a drill bit and then integrate a new plug without any problems. But because I painted this hole recently, I don't want to make anything dirty, so I will insert a new plug right in here and we will see what happens. This time we will also take a little bit bigger plug than the last time, just to make sure that it's fixed in there. This one went in without any problems. The first plug was too deep into the wall, so that this second plug went in there without any problems. We didn't even have to shorten it. And this time I will put a little bit bigger screws also, just to make sure that they hold my mirror okay. And of course, you always want to check the stability of this screw into the wall. Just take it and try to take it out. If it's not budging, it's a good one. That's it, guys. Quick and easy way to remove the screw that went too deep into the hole. You can basically use a magnetic tool which is made for that purpose, or you can use a brand new screwdriver with the magnetic tip, but new magnetic tip which is not damaged. I hope you have found someone new in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.